In this video, we're talking about imperfections on social media and why you shouldn't really stress so much what people have to say based on how you look. That's coming right up. What's up, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful tips and strategy videos to improve your self-care, as well as one-on-one discussions just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell before I end up putting my hair back to normal because I look like a friggin' clown. The purpose of this video, actually no, I should put this camera back because it isn't for me to get close to you like that. It's to show you how ridiculous I can look but still post up something online because I clearly don't give a fuck what people have to say about me or about my appearance. With that being said, there are some people out there that will give you some type of like suggestions, and those suggestions can come from a good place. However, there are some people out there that just are douchebags and they will just throw hate at you for no reason. Many people on social media tend to be very like polished. It's like Instagram where people are taking pictures, and to be honest with you, I do fall into this category. Sometimes I take pictures and I just want to make sure like the pictures come out perfect. However, I'm not like that all the time. Yes, this is staged. I made this for a reason to make this video, but I mean on a regular day I'm not looking all like GQ-ish, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't look like this all the time. No, creating this ultra polished image on social media is so much hard work because you have to always keep up with it. It's not all the time I want to feel like yes, everything is going perfect, because sometimes things are not going perfect and things are going horribly wrong. And unfortunately, many people on social media do not post or share those type of trials and tribulations with others online. And it kind of creates a picture like everything is perfect in their world. Basically what I'm saying is don't believe the hype. For me personally, I am trying to expose myself a lot more. So for example, if you want to see me cry like a little bitch drinking kombucha tea, you can check out this video right here. There was an anime character called Ass. I'll probably be that character. When you post content where it is not as perfect and it has some imperfections, I feel like those are the ones that you can connect with a lot more online, more so than when things are like going ultra clear and ultra like perfect. I work in the nightclub industry and I would meet some like attractive women right during the night. They are boring as hell. They will just stand up there looking all cute for the Instagram pictures, but that's basically it. They're not trying to have fun or like, you know, be a little goofy or like a little silly. They just want to stand up there and all of this good looks go to waste because you're just boring as hell. You're just boring as hell. You don't want to do nothing. You just want to stand up there and look cute. Basically, I'm saying this. If you have a goofy side, if you have a quirky side, if you have a very studious side, whatever side that you don't really show, take one day out of the week, each week, to showcase that type of personality. Try it out. Post something that you're kind of like scared of posting that's true to you, and just let things happen. They might find it very odd or very weird, but that's fine. You can't please everybody. But the cool thing is you are going to attract people that will be most likely to enjoy your true self. Social media is so polished that we tend to like make our lives perfect when in reality it's not. I need some water. Well, you guys saw it first. I dropped my mic for the very first time while making a YouTube video. Joy, pure joy. This video, we're going up. Much better. Much better. Fail. But you know what? Got water driplets in my mouth. On top of my lip. This is a perfect video to post online. Look how many mistakes I'm making in this video.